This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
Oh shoot. What's up guys? It's your boy Prince Shoeline of Prince Shoeline Productions, back in with another YouTube video. Back here again with another one, you feel me? And today we're gonna be showing you the braid twist out that I did. Yeah. If you guys haven't seen how it looked before I took them out, it'll be up here in that little icon, that little circle with the little eye icon, and you could watch that video before this. But yeah, if you guys want to get your hair like this, keep watching. It's your boy Prince Shoeline of Prince Shoeline Productions. Hit that share button, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post, guys. Every time, you feel me? So let's get into the video.
Trap Mafia.
I got the glow.
Oh,
I got the glow.
on fly.
Shining brighter than a diamond, cause I got the glow. Phone ringing, yeah, the money calling, and I got the go. I'm back up on my shit, yeah, I thought you should know. Shining brighter than a diamond, cause I got the glow. Whoa, I got the glow. 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 Gotta get it like a dean boy who play with keys like a
Yeah, guys.
How I really feel, they ain't really real, they some motherfucking decoys. We gon' search, find, and destroy. See me when I'm coming, I ain't never frontin', shining like Bruce Leroy. I ain't been that nigga, you ain't need no opposition, get obliterated, man. I'm just a player from the Himalayas.
Yeah guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Honestly, I don't think this is my best cut that I've done on this channel, but it'll do, you feel me? But I hope you guys like the little curls. I mean, it's not even out, they're still twisted, so it's like how to curl dreads and stuff. That's how Chloe and Haley do their dreads. That's how Andre Harris used to do his dreads. That's how that's how Jacquees does his dreads here and there. So there's a few celebrities that do their hair to get it curly like that, but they probably don't keep it in for as long as I did. I think I kept it in for about 2 weeks, a week or two. Yeah, this has been in for a while. So yeah, I think these are probably dreaded by the time I take them out. Yeah, so I haven't done it, like, you guys haven't seen my full hair out in a while, so I think I'll probably update that and, you know, keep you guys posted of what I've been doing. And I should take you out to my school, you know, do a little back and forth with some of the students, if anything. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know who it is, Prince Shoeline of Prince Shoeline Productions. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and Super Gang Super Squad. Peace.
Hard work, yeah, we live to the grind. All my life I've been dabbing fives. Pop's friends where they live and died, but we keep it dry just to stay alive. Lord knows, yeah, Lord knows that we deal our cards cause we never fold. Chess wars cause I'm changing floors, and if you lose respect, you can see the door.